Okay, the next step I'm going to go through here is to create different admin profiles so that different users can have different levels of administration or different privileges in what they can do on the firewall. So I'm going to go to device. I'm then going to go down to authentication profile. I'm then going to click add down here at the bottom, and I'm going to type in local database. And I'm going to change the type here to local database. This is basically a database that's going to be stored on the firewall itself. And what I'll do here is click all on the allow list. Okay, now that I've created my authentication profile here, I'm going to go down to local user database and then click users. So let's try and populate this now with some users. If I click add in here, let's type in Bob, who works for the team, and we're just going to make his password generic. Going to click OK. Perfect. Okay, so we've created an authentication profile of local database. We've then gone to the local database and created Bob, who works in the team. We're then going to go to administrators, and we want to give Bob access to the firewall, and we want to decide what level of access Bob will get. So what I will do here is type in Bob, because that's who we want to give access to. And I'm going to set the description as Bob read only. And the authentication profile we're going to use is local database. And we're going to change super user to read only access. Okay, perfect. I'm now going to click commit. And I'll just wait for this job to commit. So I'm going to log out of my admin profile, and I'm going to go to login, and I'm going to use the username and password that I set for the Bob account, and it will create an admin session for me. And if we see, I haven't really got any policies set up yet, but I've got read-only access as opposed to having full super user access where I'm able to add and remove policies. You can see here that this grey bar at the bottom is greyed out, so I can't actually select any of these. You could see there, though, from the instructions that I gave, if you wanted to set a group of users up that had full access, you would just set them as super user.